Today I want to show you how to make hot water with the lemon. These are our ingredients. We're going to use 1 lemon. We'll cut it by half and then we'll squeeze it by using this container. We'll squeeze this lemon in order to get its juice. 1.5 lemon will be enough to make 1 glass of hot water. So make sure you squeeze it until you get enough juice of this lemon as possible. After squeezing this lemon and getting this juice, we'll add water in this glass. I'm going to use this water dispenser here. This is to get hot. Because it is too hot, I'll mix with cold just a little. And then after that, I'll take my juice, lemon juice, and I'll add to this water. Make sure this glass is full. Okay, our juice or our hot water and juice is now ready for use. Okay, after making this hot water with lemon, now I'm going to show you how to use it. Make sure you drink this hot water early in the morning. Make it the first thing in the morning. Use at least 2 glasses in the morning and also in the evening. This will help you and give you a lot of benefit for your weight loss. Thank you.